In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly close all your other tabs in Safari on the iPad. What can happen when we're on the iPad is we can get a number of tabs open every time we open up a website. It might open up in another tab. Or if we control click on it or command click on it, it'll open up in another tab. So then all of a sudden when we're looking at Safari, we're going to have a number of different tabs open. I don't want to have all those tabs open. How can we quickly close them? That's what we're going to look at in this video. Let's go over to my iPad. So I'm looking at Safari here, and if we look, you're going to see that I have a number of different tabs open here. What I would like to do is close all of these except this one that I'm looking at right here. How can I do that? I don't want to have to tap on this one here and then tap on the X and then do that again, tap on the X. There's an easier way of closing all of these other tabs. All you need to do is go to the website or the tab that you want to keep open. So I want to keep this tab open here. And then I just long press on it. So I tap and hold on it. And you're going to see an option to close all the other tabs. I just tap on this. And now all of the other tabs are closed. I only have one tab open here. So there's your quick tip for the day. That's how you can easily close all of your other tabs in Safari on the iPad. Basically, you just have to long press on the tab that you want to keep open, and you're going to see an option where you can close all of your other tabs. So that's how you can close all of your other tabs in Safari on the iPad. Now, if you like what you saw here, what you may want to do is like the video. Give it a thumbs up. That will tell YouTube that you like it, and maybe what I can do then is help other people because they'll recommend my video to other people. You can also subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about my videos, I do have over 1,600 videos available, easy to follow videos on the Mac, iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. You can find those on danstutorials.com. In addition to having over 1,600 videos, you can also keep track of which lessons you've taken, you can take notes, you can favorite tutorials. So if you'd like to learn more, take a look at my danstutorials.com. I hope this video was helpful in helping you learn more about your Apple device.